how to submit your assignments. So again, what I want you to do is take your entire project folder, compress it into a zip file, then submit that on Moodle. So let me show you how to do that. So the first thing you want to do, of course, is to create your project. Right here, Java application. Next, and on this screen, you see name and location. It tells you where your project will be saved. You can change this to whatever location you want it to be, right? But this tells you where it's going to be saved, and be mindful of that because you're going to need to go here once you finish your project. All right, let's rename this example, right? And I'm going to save this in my documents, Netbeans projects. On Windows, by default, it will install it inside your documents, inside your Netbeans projects folder in that document. On Mac, it's a little bit different. It may install it in your home directory. I don't know exactly where it installs it, but you can look here and see where by default it installs those projects. All right. Hit finish. I have my example. So let's type in some quick code here. System.out.println sample project. Hit run. And you see down here, sample project runs. I have this whole project. Cool. So now on Windows, I have to go find where that project is stored. So I'll click on this icon down here at the bottom of the screen. I navigate to my documents, Netbeans projects, and I named it example. So right here I have example, right? Well, what I need to do is left click one time so it's highlighted, then right click, send to compressed zip. And you see it made a zip file, this example zip file, and submit this zip file to Moodle. Okay? If you have multiple projects, it's going to be slightly different. So let me create another project. Next, again, this is where the project will be stored. So let me name this example 2. Right? Finish. Let's do some more sample code in here. System.out.println sample project 2. Run, and you see sample project 2 works. Again, it's going to be stored exactly the same place. So you see here, I have example 1 and I have example 2. The way to submit both of these together, because again, for each problem that we do in either our assignments or labs, if there are more than one problem, we want to create a new project. And so to submit multiple projects, I left click this one, then I hold Control on the keyboard. For Mac, it's Command. Then I left click my second one, continuing to hold Control. Then I right click this, send to compress zip. Again, on Mac, it's slightly different. I believe it says compress this file or something of that nature to compress them. And now I would say I can name this examples all, and I would upload this to Moodle.